Hi everyone, I am Dr. Jenkins and this is your introduction video for Bio 125 Online Nutrition Summer Course. Alright, so hello and welcome to the course. This is going to be a 6-week course. It's quick. So I just wanted to record a short video to introduce you to how the course is going to run. Alright, so here we go. It's a 6-week course. Every week, you'll be covering about 2 or 3 chapters of information. Most weeks it's 2 chapters, sometimes it's 3. So each week, there'll be 2 or 3 chapters of material. You can go through that material at your own pace. We will not be meeting at a particular time. And I'll say that again. We're not going to be meeting at a particular time. What do they call that now? Asynchronous, whatever. So on Blackboard, you will see PowerPoints for each chapter. And more importantly, you will see links to lecture videos. I strongly encourage you to watch those videos. There are a lot of slides. You will not need to know all of that material. So the benefit of watching the videos is that you'll know what to focus on, what to study, and what is just extra. That's especially important in a 6-week class, right? You don't have a lot of time. So I suppose it might feel like, oh, I gotta watch all these videos. But I really believe overall it'll make things easier in the long run. So each week there will be 2 or 3 chapters of material we'll cover. It'll be up to you on your schedule to watch the videos. You'll have available to you those video links, the actual PowerPoint, the same PowerPoint that I'm using in the lecture video. You will also see available to you a chapter outline where you can fill in the notes if you like. And then you'll also see study questions. So a lot of material for you. So each week, that's what you'll do. I encourage people to set a schedule if you can. You know, it's hard sometimes to get motivated, especially now that it's getting nicer out. So I really encourage you to, based on whatever your schedule is, set time. If you treat it like a class you're meeting in person and you schedule out time, you're going to be much more likely to get the work done, because it does take work, right? You're going to have to, review the material, take notes, and study. So let's just say you have Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and you decide from 12 to 2, I'm going to be able to devote towards nutrition, or whatever the case may be. Okay. Now, what's going to be due each week? To make things easier for an online class, I like to have the same things due every week. That way there's no confusion. So every week, there will be 3 things due. One of them is a discussion board post. There'll be usually 2 questions. And you just go to the discussion board and you write up your responses. This is mostly a participation grade. A lot of times it's opinion, so I'm not necessarily grading for one particular answer I'm looking for. So it's an easy way to get points. Each week, the discussion board will be due no later than Thursday at midnight. Okay? So the first thing each week is a discussion board due no later than Thursday at midnight. Then you'll have an online quiz and a critical thinking assignment, which is just a worksheet with questions. The online quiz and critical thinking assignment will be due every Sunday at midnight. So discussion board post is due Thursday at midnight, and then the critical thinking and quiz is due Sunday at midnight, no later. Same every week. Thrown into that will also be a midterm exam and a final exam, all given online. Everything for the schedule is available to you on the syllabus. Also on Blackboard, under the About the Course tab, you'll see a semester schedule laying out for each of the 6 weeks what we're covering, what is due, including when those midterm and final exams are. Just as an early FYI, the midterm and final exams online will be broken up into shorter quizzes. So for example, the midterm exam is 3 quizzes that are, I have to check. Let's just say it's 3 quizzes that are 25 questions each. So you can choose to take one portion and then maybe the next day take another portion. You can take them all at once. But that way, it's not like you're taking 75 questions all at once. That would just be like sticking a pencil in my eye at the computer screen. All right, a couple other quick notes because I don't want to make this too long. Maybe you've heard the word on the street about Dr. Jenkins. I do not take late work. I do not take late work. So when I say that the online quiz in critical thinking is due no later than Sunday at midnight, that's what I mean. If I receive an email from you with your critical thinking assignment attached and it's received at 12:01 a.m. Monday morning, I will not accept it. So, with that in mind, I strongly encourage you to hand things in early. What if there's a delay in sending the email? Why on earth would you wait until 11 p.m. on Sunday night? So do things early. For the online quizzes, every once in a while, Blackboard kicks you out or the screen freezes. Just don't wait until Sunday at 11 p.m. Take it earlier in the week, take it earlier in the weekend. And that way, if there's a technical problem, you can email me and say, hey, Doc, Blackboard froze. Can you reset the quiz for me? And I said, sure. And you still have time to complete it before the midnight deadline at Sunday. All right. You'll see information on the syllabus about a textbook. You can get the textbook if you like. I've also provided a link to an online free textbook. Yay, yay, yay. Some people, in fact, many people choose not to buy a textbook and save money. I will tell you that you should be focusing and studying on what I cover in the videos. They do come from the book, but every once in a while I'll throw in something extra. So follow and study by the videos. If you have any further questions, that's when I suggest you go to a textbook, whether you purchase one or whether you just use the free online one. 2 more things that I'm done. All right. Okay. There is going to be a diet analysis assignment, and that's just going to be an assignment that I'll give you more information as we go through. It'll be due the 5th week of the course, more information to come. And then lastly, I'm going to be asking you this semester to keep track of your diet for some portions of time. If you don't feel comfortable doing it with yourself, you can use someone else. Obviously, I'm not grading your diet. I'm just grading that you did that portion, okay? I encourage you to do it and learn some information about yourself, but I would never force you to use yourself, but you have to use someone. And for those, we're going to be using the free online website. It's also an app on a phone called MyFitnessPal. All right, I'm going to keep this short. It's a lot of work, but it's straightforward. And everything that is due is the same each week. I'm here if you have questions. You can reach me through email. You can send me an email and request a Zoom meeting if you like. All right, so start the semester off on a good foot. I'm here if you have questions, but you're going to have to do the work. But I know you can do it. All right, see you soon.